Hey everyone, it's your host Andrew Guru here, and today I have some exciting news to share with you. OnePlus is set to make a big splash in the smartphone world with their upcoming device, the OnePlus V Fold. So let's dive right into it and explore the pros and cons of this highly anticipated folding smartphone. First up, let's talk about the pros of the OnePlus V Fold. One of the biggest advantages is that it's a flagship phone, meaning that it will be equipped with top-of-the-line specifications and features. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, this device promises lightning-fast performance and smooth multitasking. And with the OnePlus's signature fast and smooth experience, you can expect an optimized user interface with their Oxygen OS. Another major advantage is the high-resolution display. Though exact details haven't been confirmed, rumors suggest a stunning display with a resolution of 1440 pixels. This means you'll have a crisp and vibrant display. Additionally, the OnePlus V Fold is expected to feature fast charging technology as usual, allowing you to quickly recharge your smartphone. Plus, ample storage and RAM will ensure smooth multitasking and seamless performance, making it an ideal choice for power users. Now let's discuss the cons that you should be aware of when considering to buy the OnePlus V Fold. One potential downside is the price. As a flagship folding phone, it's expected to come with a premium price tag. So if you're on a tight budget, this device might not be the most affordable option out there. Another aspect to consider is the durability of folding phones in general. While manufacturers have made it significant that advancements are there in foldable technology, there's still some concern about the long-term durability. So it's essential to handle the device with care and be mindful of any potential vulnerabilities. Lastly, as with any new device, it's important to wait for real-world news and reviews before making a final decision. While the renders and rumors look promising, it's always wise to gather as much as information as possible to ensure the device meets your needs and requirements. And that's not all. Let's dive deeper into the details of the OnePlus V Fold. Earlier this year, OnePlus filed trademarks for names like V Flip and V Fold, confirming their foray into the world of foldable smartphones. Additionally, at this year's MWC, OnePlus officially announced their plans to enter the affordable market and launch their first foldable device. Initially, it was speculated that OnePlus would simply rebrand an Oppo foldable phone, since Oppo is their parent company, and just launch it. However, the latest revelations indicate that the OnePlus V Fold will have a unique identity of its own. While it's not confirmed yet, some sources refer to it as a OnePlus Fold, while others claim it as OnePlus WE Fold. For simplicity's sake, let's refer to it as a OnePlus V Fold in this video. Thanks to the leaks, we now have a glimpse of the OnePlus Fold's design. Unlike the compact design of the Oppo Find N and Find N2, the OnePlus Fold boasts a larger footprint reminiscent of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold4. This device features a sturdy metal frame with flat sides, and OnePlus has even included their iconic alert slider on this phone. On the right side, you'll find the volume rockers and the power button, which doubles as a fingerprint sensor. The OnePlus Fold also showcases a distinctive circular camera module on the back, housing 3 cameras with Hasselblad branding. You can spot the LED flash in the top left corner, and one of the cameras sports a rectangular lens indicating the presence of a periscope camera. Moving on to the other displays, the outer display features a center hole punch cutout, while the foldable display has it in the top left corner. While it comes to the folding mechanism, we can expect OnePlus to follow a similar design to Oppo's foldable devices. This means we can anticipate a less notable crease and minimal to no gap where the device has to be folded. To enhance the audio experience, the OnePlus Fold is rumored to feature a triple quad speaker setup. While specifications are yet to be confirmed, considering the OnePlus Fold's launch in the second half of this year, it won't be surprising to see it powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, or even the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 2 chipset. This means users can expect exceptional performance and power efficiency. So there you have it, a sneak peek into the pros and cons of the upcoming OnePlus V Fold. If you want detailed information about this leak, make sure to check the link in the description below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more exciting tech updates. Until next time, this is Andrew Guru signing off. Stay tuned for more amazing content and I'll catch you in the next video.